Let's learn 10 easy things you can do to make your slides look professional. These ideas don't take more than a few seconds to implement, but the impact is significant. So let us jump right in. The first tip is correction. Tip number 0 is ditch your default design themes. This is such a basic and essential thing that it doesn't even count as a tip. The reason is every day millions of people open PowerPoint and click the same default themes you're using. When your audience sees those themes, they instantly categorize your presentation as generic office content, and you lose your chance to make a memorable first impression even before you start speaking. Now take a look at this popular design theme. The text is in all caps. There are unnecessary graphic elements all over the place that makes the whole thing look so cluttered. Now look at the kind of visual relief you get by just going to the basic office theme. Now this looks so much cleaner and easy on the eyes. So if you can't do anything else to make your slides look professional, at least do this. Don't use the default design themes. Now with that understanding, let us move to tip number 1. The tip is make your slide title visually distinct. So this is the basic slide. All you need to do is to go to shapes, pick up the rectangle tool and draw a simple rectangle across like this. Go to shape outline, remove outline, right click and send this to back. And then make this bolder by going to home and using the bold option. And then change the font color to something more contrasting. And if you want to give a visual counterbalance, you can make a duplicate of this and reduce the height like so. And then place this somewhere over here. Now look at this. By simply making your slide title visually distinct, you automatically improve the look and feel of your slides. So that is your easy tip number 1. Now the second easy tip is change your color theme. Colors create instant emotional impact. The colors from default office themes are overused, and just by changing these colors, you create a different impression in your audience's mind. Let me show you how it is done. First go to the Design tab, go to Variants and click on the drop-down menu, and here you have the option to change the color theme. Now this is the default design theme. Now just by moving my cursor over the different color themes, see how the mood for the presentation changes. I go to Blue Warm. Instantly you can see that this presentation looks more formal and therefore can be used in finance, legal presentations where the audience needs to see trust in the presenter. As I move down, you can see that I move to warmer colors like this, and you can instantly see the energy shift in the presentation. These warm colors drive action. So if you have any marketing presentation, sales presentation, etc., if you use these warm colors, you instantly make your presentation more energetic. So instead of going for the default color themes, you can make your color choice according to the mood you want for your presentation, and it doesn't take more than a few seconds to implement, and the impact is significant. The third simple tip is to choose custom fonts. The default office fonts are of course overused, and they don't really have much of an impact. Instead, if you were to use custom fonts, the look and feel of your slide instantly improves. Now take a look at this. These are the default fonts. Now let me change the font for my slide title. Let me select this and let us go to something very basic like say Amasis MT Pro Black. And for the body, I'm going to use the same font family but slightly lighter like say Amasis MT Pro. And here you can see that the slide looks far better than its default look. Now how to choose the right fonts for your professional presentation? I have created an entire video on this. I will leave a link to that in the description box below the video and also in the iCard. You can watch that video to understand what font combinations work well and how to use fonts professionally. Again, there are so many free and wonderful fonts available for free from Google Fonts. So instead of settling for the default fonts, make this one-time effort and you'll be able to see a difference in the way your presentations look and feel for the rest of your life. The fourth easy thing you can do to make your slides look professional is to add slide numbers. It might seem like nothing, but then every professional slide deck has slide numbers in it because it makes it easy for the audience to refer to your slides when they ask questions about your slide deck. To add slide numbers, all you need to do is to go to Insert, go to slide number option in the text group, click here and then choose this slide number option and you say apply or apply to all. And when you do that, you have your slide number here. It's a very easy thing to do, doesn't take more than a few seconds to do, but please do it to make your slides look professional. The fifth easy thing you can do is to ditch smart art diagrams. Now take a look at this timeline diagram. It doesn't look anything great in particular, and if I want to give some explanation for each of the milestones, I don't really have much space. Let us select this, go to the Smart Art Design option and see if we have any other alternative for timeline diagrams that allows me to write some text. Now take a look at this, it doesn't have much space for me to write my text. If I choose this, again I need to add the space for text manually, and this doesn't really provide me much options either. So if you're someone who wants to make a serious impression on your audience, it is a good idea to not use the default Smart Art diagrams. A simple alternative is for you to create your own diagrams using auto shapes. That gives you more creative freedom and your diagrams look more professional, and it gives the audience an impression that you care about them because you've drawn diagrams to make it easy for them to understand. Of course, if you're a busy presenter and you don't have the time to create these diagrams, you can use professional templates available like say PowerPoint Charts and Diagrams CEO Pack, the link for which is provided in the description box below. Here you can see that the diagrams are animated and it is much easier for you to use in your slide deck, and it instantly creates an impression on your audience. The sixth easy idea to level up your slides is to present your numbers in style. Now this is the default chart style. Now all you need to do to improve this chart is to go to chart design and try one of these chart styles. It is so surprising to see that most presenters don't even look at these options, and some of them are truly good. Like for example, I like this one, I like this one, I like this, and here again is a very beautiful design, and all it takes for you is to just choose the style and click, and instantly your charts get leveled up. Again, takes only a few seconds, but the impact is significant. In line with the same thought, the seventh easy thing you can do to level up your chart slides is to use slide titles as chart titles. You see, every chart comes with its own chart title. This is because this is the convention in Excel. But when you present your charts on a PowerPoint slide, it's always a good idea to ditch your chart titles and use slide titles instead. For example, in this case, I can delete this chart title and make my title as something more meaningful. For example, April month has provided the most sales. So I can say April was our most productive month. Now this is just an example. And of course, you can draw the viewer's attention to April month by selecting only that particular bar. On the first click, all the bars get selected. Then you click again, only that month gets selected. You can always draw the viewer's attention by changing the color, like say this. And now this slide looks way better than the way we started. It's because the default behavior of your audience is to first look at the slide title and look for the evidence of whatever that has been said in the slide title in the body content. So here when you say April was our most productive month, they automatically move their eyes to the body content where they see the proof, and the chart instantly makes an impression. So that was the seventh easy thing that you could do. And again, in line with the same thought, the next easy thing you can do to level up your slides is to use quick styles. Again, I'm surprised by how rarely this option is used in PowerPoint. When I select the chart, go to chart design, I have this option here called quick layout. For example, I can see many ways by which we can improve the look and feel of this chart. I see that the chart would be much better if the bars are a little widened. And instead of having a vertical axis, if you can have the values right here as data labels, it would make it easier for the audience to read the numbers. And when we have the data labels, there is no point in having these grid lines. And you can ditch this vertical axis. And to make all these changes, you would take a lot of time. Now, look at the magic. When I go to quick layout and go to the second option, all of these changes are implemented instantly. I don't have the vertical axis. The data labels are added and the bars are widened. And this chart looks way cleaner than the earlier chart. And there are many more such beautiful options available in quick layout. I highly recommend that you try out the different options instead of going for the default look for your charts. Now let's go to the ninth easy thing you can do to improve your charts, and we are continuing our thought process. The idea is make it as easy as possible for your audience to read your information on the slide. A simple thing you can do is to increase the font sizes. Since these charts are produced in Excel by default, you can see that the font size is really small. It is impossible for the audience in the last row to read your numbers here. An easy thing you can do in every chart that you make is to increase the font size, and to do that you just need to click on the bounding box and then you go to the fonts and you increase the font size like so. Instantly all the numbers and the text inside the chart get increased uniformly, and the chart looks more readable and therefore looks more professional. And of course, you can always clean up the charts. For example, there is no need for a legend in this chart. As you can see, everything is clearly mentioned here, so I can click on the legend and delete it. And since we said that the chart title can be replaced by the slide title, I can click on this and delete it. You can see that this is much cleaner and more professional for the audience to look and understand. Now, the 10th easy thing you can do to make your slides look professional is to never have full sentences in your slides. Now look at this. This represents a typical slide created by most presenters. People have a lazy tendency to copy full sentences from Word documents and pasting them on slides like this. Now, when you present a slide like this, your audience will get overwhelmed by the wall of text and will instantly switch off. Now, in today's day and age, when it is so easy for you to rewrite your bullet points with just the keywords using any of the AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, doesn't really matter, you can easily convert these messy looking wordy slides into something like this, which only have keywords. Just go to your favorite AI tool, copy this text and ask the tool to rewrite the text to give just the keywords and you will get this result. Now the benefit of having your keywords like this is your audience won't fully understand what you have to say just by reading your slides. So they require you to give the explanation and therefore you become the presentation and not your slides. Whereas when you use slides like this, your audience will be busy reading your text and you will be redundant on stage. So always take that extra effort to convert your full sentences into keywords using any of your favorite AI tools. Now those were 10 easy ideas you can implement immediately to make your next presentation better. I want to give you one bonus tip as well. The tip is you help your audience understand your information by providing simple frameworks like this. Whenever you present a complex information or idea, your audience needs some kind of a mental framework for them to organize the information so they can understand and process your information to make a decision. Simple frameworks like this make it easy for them to do so. Of course, the bonus is your slide deck looks really cool when you use diagrams, so you always win. Of course, I have taken these frameworks from our comprehensive all-in-one bundle. The link is in the description box below the video. If you have the time, you can always make these frameworks yourself, absolutely no problem. In fact, to help you do so, we have created a lot of tutorials that show you how to make over text-based slides into diagrams. I'm giving you the link for one such tutorial right now on your screen. You click on the link and go to that video to see how you can transform your boring text-based slides into meaningful diagrams. I'll see you in the next video.